Hello, in this video I want to show you how to perform first setup on the GoPro Hero 13. And to do this, first you will need the micro SD card. Also, there's a charger which is recommended for the entire setup, as you will see in the next steps. So now we can move to the actual setup. You will need to click and hold this power button until you hear the beep noise. Then let go. And then now first step for the setup is to pick a language. In this case, I'm gonna go with English. Then there's the legal stuff. You can try to disagree. In this case, I'm gonna agree. GPS that you can turn on and off. Voice control that you can turn on and off. And voice control language. In this case, I'm going with English as well. Now, as I said, you need the battery charger if there's update. And you also need that SD card. So let's connect this SD card right here in that slot. And now we need to finish the setup with the GoPro app from your smartphone. So to do that, grab your smartphone, just give me a second. So grab your smartphone and open camera app. Then navigate to scan QR code mode. It's Google Lens. Then we need to scan the QR code that you can see on the app, on the camera I mean, and open it. It should transfer you to Google Play Store, and now we need to download an app called GoPro Quick Video Editor. Open the app when the download is done. Then sign in or create your account. We can also try continuing as a guest, but in this case, I'm gonna sign in. Do you own a GoPro? Yes. Set up your GoPro now? Yes. And then we need to connect to the camera. And it should find your GoPro instantly if you scanned that QR code. If not, scan it again. And then we can connect. Now we can rename our GoPro. I'm gonna leave the default name and install the update. So after the update is finished, our camera is ready, and as you can see, we can start using it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.